Hello everyone. Today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see another Kerala dish which is called as the Olan. Olan is a very important dish and it plays a very significant role in the Kerala feast, basically because it neutralizes the acidity caused by other spicy curries. Few people use white pumpkin, few people use the yellow pumpkin. Today I've used yellow pumpkin and the brown cowpeas or the red cowpeas. So this is a high protein dish and this is rich in iron and magnesium. This is a very simple and a quick dish. Let's see how we can prepare this.
This is around half a kg of yellow pumpkin which I've cut it like this. So this is how you have to cut for Olan. It will be somewhat like square and little bit thin. Few curry leaves, 2 green chilies slit. I've taken half of a coconut for making coconut milk, coconut oil, salt as per taste, and also the red lobia or the red cowpeas around half a cup soaked in water overnight. See, before soaking, red lobia is like this. Do not take the white black-eyed bean. Red one gives you a good taste and color. So I'm going to pressure cook this for 1 whistle. I'm going to add some hot water in the fresh grated coconut and I'm going to extract it. The first extract is called as the first thick milk, and second time again I'll be adding water and squeezing out the milk from the coconut, that is called as a second milk. In the grated coconut I'm adding hot water, say around half a cup. Now I'm going to grind this in the mixie and I'm going to filter it. This will be slightly thicker, so this I'm going to keep it aside and I'm going to filter this again. I've added the same coconut. I'll be adding some more water. Now it's even more watery than the first milk. So this video I wanted to show basically for the beginners. First coconut milk approximately around half a cup, and second coconut milk slightly thinner than the first coconut milk, which will be approximately 1 cup. Now first I'm going to add the washed yellow pumpkin, few curry leaves, and also the green chilies. Few curry leaves I've kept it for adding it finally. I just added a little bit now. Little bit of salt and cook it for a few minutes. Just make sure there's very less water, just enough for the yellow pumpkin to cook. So I've just added only around half a cup of water. You can actually close and cook it. Yeah, it's almost cooked. At this stage I'm going to add this red cowpeas. I'm only pressure cooked this with 1/4 cup of water. Do not add too much of water, otherwise your Olan will tend to become very watery. Now allow it to cook along with the yellow pumpkin. At this stage I'm going to add the second coconut milk. You don't have to cover it and cook, you can just cook it like this itself. Now you can see that the vegetables and the legume or the black-eyed bean is nicely blended well. At this stage I'm going to add the thick coconut milk. After adding the thick coconut milk, just make sure that you don't have to cook it for a long time. I'm going to add some coconut oil, about say 2 tablespoons, and then finally you garnish with some fresh curry leaves. So it has to be in this consistency. It has to be a little thick. At this stage I'm just going to switch off the gas. So this is the correct consistency of the Olan.
Kerala style Olan is ready to be served. This is a very mild curry which has very less spice levels and not too much of oil, so it's very good for the stomach and it is extremely good for improving the sleep patterns. Many people say after eating this their sleep patterns and they wake up fresh in the morning. So, and so many other advantages of having this curry. So please try this dish. And few people add a little bit of jaggery. It will add more sweetness to the dish. I have not added because basically we have already added the coconut milk in this dish, and this is light brown in color. And I hope you'll all try out this dish. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you and have a great day.